Hello and welcome to Edureify YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we are in front of you and आज हम लोग आपको बताएंगे कि Edureify के साथ आप किस तरह अपनी JEE की तैयारी कर सकते हैं. So as you can see, मैंने अपनी डेस्कटॉप पे ऑलरेडी Edureify खोल रखी है. So they are providing you the preparations starting from class 6 till class 12th, JE, NEET, and many more exams. So, before starting this video, I would like to say please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that further के हमारे जितने भी वीडियोस बन रहे हैं उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच जाए. So as you can see that they have provided learn tab, practice tab, online test. In this you can go and take the revision of your subject with chapter and topic, whichever you want to go for, and after doing the revision go for the practice test. So we are selecting our exam JEE, choosing our subject physics, and then we will choose our topic motion in dimension. So this way you will be able to do the revision in just few minutes of time and then go for the online test and check your score. So this topic covers the particle or point mass, distance and displacement, speed and velocity. You can see it here. So what are particle or point mass? The smallest part of matter which zero dimension which can be described by its mass and position is defined as a particle. Distance and displacement. Distance is the actual path length covered by a moving article in a given interval of time, while displacement is the change in position, that is, a vector joining initial to final position. Then this section is further divided into 4 points. Distance is a scalar while displacement is a vector, both having same dimensions. The magnitude of displacement is equal to minimum possible distance between two positions. For motion between 2 points, displacement is single valued while distance depends on actual path and so can have many values. Likewise, fifth point. So by clicking on the next tab, we move on to next topic. Speed and velocity. Meanwhile, you can check your progress. This is your progress and this is the expected progress. You have to study this much to this point. You have spent this much of time, 1 minute and 42 seconds. You are currently on third topic consisting of four topics. While clicking on next tab, you will move to next topic. And meanwhile, if you want to make some notes, so click on the note tab, write it down and get it saved. So we are moving to our next topic. So this way doing division is very easy and very friendly also. So students, you can get our Edureify learning app from Google Play Store, download it, install it and start using it. Make sure that you attempt minimum 10 mock tests in a day in order to increase your JEE score. क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप मॉक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करोगे उतना ही अच्छा आपका स्कोर होगा. तो एड्यूरीफाई करो, पढ़ाई करो. हमारी edurify.com वेबसाइट पर आइए, डेली अपना मॉक टेस्ट दीजिए, अपना रिजल्ट देखिए और अपना इम्प्रूव करिए स्कोर. थैंक यू.